Okay, Tor Poznan in a 911 Turbo PDK with an instructor, and yeah, we're basically gonna drive so how we know to place the car. Wow. Driving very smooth, no tire screech. Impressive.
Tak.
Yeah, I don't have any R tires, that's bad. Was much more fun.
Very nice.
I'll let you do this tomorrow as well. Let's take him on the straight.
He have better suspension.
Yes, and better tires. You have our tires. We have only street tires.
Must wait. Have the grip.
And watch for the brakes also, so they're not overheated. But you know that. It's really nice fight against this GT3 RS. I'm impressed. Wow, I didn't think we would have a chance. After all, we're on street tires and it's on cup tires, I believe. Yes. Tires are getting too hot, maybe.
Yes, they are.
Yeah. Should I have had R tires? You know this track. And don't crash my car. And the brakes are not too hot. They're fine.
They are.
Oh, they are too hot? Or?
Okay, cooling club.
Yeah. Wow, very good. Yeah, we had a good fight against that GT3, but we had it until the tires gave up. Until the tires were too hot. Oh.
We haven't grip, so it's in this car it's not possible because in GT3 the suspension is stiffer.
Ah.
It's harder, much harder, and normally on the track,
Yeah.
it's not possible fight with GT3.
No.
Okay, less power, but
the grip and suspension is much harder suspension. But most thing is weight and tires, right?
Yes.
I mean race tires and less weight also.
Do you like it?
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. I mean, because I would know I would never be able to keep up that good, of course, with that car.
You see where are braking points?
Well, actually, I didn't think of it. I was just thinking at the GT3 and thinking like, please don't crash. and But it will good because I will have a video to see where to place the car, and I could look on that to learn. So with harder suspension and better tires,
Yes, and GT3
suspension.
GT3 suspension.
Yeah.
Without any different things.
Yeah.
You must go. GT3 suspension, and that's all.
Yeah.
It's not comfortable on the normal road. But
No, exactly. Yeah, so even with our tires, it would not be possible because you need a harder suspension. Because I think, I mean, with this in a hard setting, I think the suspension is really hard on the turbo.
Yes, but yes,
It's not comparable to the
but
GT3.
not on the track. It's better, okay?
Yeah.
But it's not better.
Okay, it's another word.
You see how was difficult, right?
Yeah, that was. Oh yeah, I think that is a good driver. I talked to him.
He drives very well.
Yeah, because he's competed, I think.
Yes, I drive with him a lot, and,
Yeah. It's super car control.
yes.
Because I had a video of him when he drove, and I put it up online, and everybody, wow, the guy is too good for that car. The R8 is like he need a better car, basically.
I think I don't remember. Last year he drove Porsche or not, so I don't remember.
I talked to him yesterday at the bar, and yeah, I need to learn to drive from him. I want to speak with that GT3 RS.